What's up, everybody? It's your girl Glenda, and we are back for another video, but it's not a cooking video. Listen, coming in January of 2022, we are going to begin our Whatcha Cookin Glenda cooking classes. A few of you have asked, and we are here to deliver. If you plan to be a part of this cooking class, if you plan on attending, this is what I need for you to do. I want you to go over to my community tab and check out the 3 different meals that are posted there. All you have to do is vote on which one that you would like to cook for your family. The last day to cast your votes is going to be Sunday, January 9th, 2022 at 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. That is the last time that you'll be able to vote on which meal that you would like to choose. Now, once we take a look at the numbers, we'll see which one has gained the most votes, and then we will cook that meal. The cost will be $50 per person, not including your groceries. Okay, so I'm not like going to be sending groceries out to you or anything like that. This is not including your groceries. And what we want you to do is you're going to go check the description box for my Cash App or my PayPal information, and you're going to send your payment along with your name and email address 2 weeks before the class, and I'm going to email you the grocery list. And now I will be available by email, or you can DM me on Instagram, which is also in the description box. If you have any questions, like prior to the class, if you have any questions with regards to the grocery list or anything like that, I can assist you at that time. Now, you will have more details to follow in your email, so it's very important that you read the email thoroughly, because it's going to also talk about the Zoom link and things of that nature, along with giving you the grocery list. So we over here at Whatcha Cookin Glenda are very, very, very excited to do this. It's going to be a treat. We'll have time to chit chat and talk, and while we cook and we feed our people. Let us know what you think, and make sure you check that community tab. We'll see you next time.